Okay, today is the very last lesson of the unit, which means for this we've learned everything that we need to in Unit 3. And so your Unit 3 test will be coming up in a couple days. For the final lesson though today, we're going to look at how can you find the sum of the exterior angle measures of a polygon. So we've already learned interior angle measures. We're going to finish up with the exterior angle measures. So looking at the activity, it says we need to log on to Google Classroom and look for the Polygon exterior angles link. So you'll go to Google Classroom, okay, whatever class you're in, and find the link. You're on step 2. Right below the screencast link, it says Activity 1, Polygon exterior angles link. I'm going to click on this. They'll bring this up. And you can just leave this here for now. We'll go back and look at the directions here. Okay, so the directions say, move the slider to set it to a certain number of sides and answer the following questions and record your answers on the table below. So we're going to look at how many sides does the polygon have, how many exterior angles does it have, and then move the slider to make the exterior angles form together. What's the sum of the exterior angles? So I am going to do the octagon example with you. So we're going to do this column right here for the octagon. So I'm going to go back to what we opened. I'm actually going to drag this to the middle so we can see it better. Then once I have the octagon open and I can see all the angles, I'm going to push pause so that I can count. So here's my octagon. Okay, so I know there's 8 sides. Okay, so I'll record that in my table. Okay, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to count these exterior angles. So these angles are on the outside. They're formed by extending a side of the octagon here. They're not on the inside angles. So I'm not going to count the sides, subtract 2, multiply by 180. I'm just going to look, okay, exterior angles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 of them. So I'll record that. And then step 3, move the slider together, which actually just means push play, to see what these angles all come together to form. So they're getting closer. And I can time it right. If I time it right, you can see as close as I can get it, they're all coming together here and it's forming a 360-degree circle. So I'll record that in my table there. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go do the same thing for the triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon. You will have to move the slider up here that says the number of sides. So I'm going to open this. You can see, okay, there's 9, 10, 11, and 12 sides. So that's how you move that to change the shape. And then 16, 43, and 61 are not on here. So go ahead and do this part of the activity, and then there's a reflection question. You need to answer that. When you're done with that, then come back to the screencast and you will go on to the backside to finish up. So finding the measure of an exterior angle of a polygon, remember they all add to equal 360 degrees. So if I take a look at the angles I've been given for this 4-sided figure, they're all exterior angles, so I know they should all add to equal 360 degrees. And if I say my angles, 50 plus 127 plus 91 plus x equals 360, go ahead, add these together. You end up with 268 plus x equals 360. Take away 268. 360 take away 268 is 92. So this exterior angle right here is 92 degrees. Next one. Okay, notice exterior angle, exterior angle, exterior angle, meaning these are all going to equal 360 degrees. Okay, now I'm going to write each angle. So I have 124 plus this one, which is z plus 26, plus z. I'm going to combine like terms. 124 plus 26 is 150. plus I have z plus z, which is 2z, equals 360. I need to first solve for z. Subtract 150. So I have 210 equals 2z. Divide by 2. And z equals 105. But then it said for each exterior angle. So this one, z, is easy. That's 105. This one, z plus 26, means 105 plus 26, which is 131 degrees. Make sure you go back and check if it's asking you to find just x or the angle when you have to plug x in. And on your own, you can go ahead and try this one. When you are done, push play, and then you can see if you got your answer right. So go ahead and push pause right now and try this one. Okay. So you know you have your exterior angle of 90 there, 90 there. I have x here, 90 here, and x here. Okay, I know these are all exterior angles, so they add to equal 360. The angles that I have 90, 90, 90. 90 plus 90 plus 90, and then x and x plus x plus x. So 90 plus 90 plus 90 is 270. Plus x is 2x equals 360. Take away 270. And 360 take away 270 is 90, which equals 2x. Divide by 2. So x equals 45. Then I need to go back and check. Okay, this is just an x, so that's 45 degrees. This is also just an x, so that's also 45 degrees.